Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set contact ringtone in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to contact and go to particular contact. Here I go to this contact, Benjamin, and here I go to these three vertical dots. Click on these three vertical dots and click on change ringtone vibration and click on ringtone here and give permission, and default this ringtone is selected there, and now you can set to other ringtone for this contact only, and just go back, and ringtone has been changed for this contact. Okay, so in this way you can easily set ringtone for particular contact. Okay, for each and every contact you can set a different ringtone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.